Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share an aluminum wardrobe designs. There you can see there the beautiful designs are available. And aluminum wardrobe is a modern wardrobe systems which made using the aluminum profiles and frames. So often combined with the materials like glass, laminate, acrylic or metal panels. So unlike the traditional wooden wardrobes, aluminum wardrobe focus on precision engineering and minimalist designs and also the long-term durability. So they are commonly used in a modular wardrobes, sliding wardrobes and a premium custom interiors. In aluminum wardrobes you will find lots of variation color combinations like you can see in this video. So friends, in this video I'm going to share the latest price also, and some best advantages like it is 100% waterproof and moisture resistance. So one of the biggest advantages of aluminum wardrobe is that they are completely waterproof, no swelling, no bending, no peeling, so no termite issues is there. This makes the aluminum wardrobe ideal for humid cities, coastal areas and homes with attached bathrooms. And your wardrobe remains new looking for years even in a moisture prone environments. Also, unlike wooden wardrobes, aluminum does not attract the termites or insects, so no chemical treatment is needed, no maintenance cost, and also the peace of mind for decades. So your bedroom stays hygienic, clean, and pest free, so which is especially important for clothes and bedding. And one of the best advantages of aluminum wardrobe, it gives a modern and premium aesthetic appeal. So it gives a sleek, contemporary, and luxurious looks. They pair beautifully with glass shutters, matte or glossy finish, and mirror panels. Soft LED lighting, so impact on a bedroom interior. Aluminum wardrobe instantly make your bedroom look more modern, more spacious, and more high-end. Perfect for minimalist, luxury, and a smart home interiors. So these frames are much slimmer compared to wooden. This means more internal storage, better shelf space, cleaner internal layout. So you get the maximum storage without bulky furniture, so making the bedroom look organized and clutter free. Today, modern homes wardrobes are no longer just storage units, but they play an important role in defining the overall look, feel, and functionality of your bedroom. So, among various wardrobe materials like plywood, MDF, and solid wood, aluminum wardrobes are rapidly gaining the popularity, especially in urban and premium interiors. So, friend, it has a high strength with a lightweight structure. So, aluminum is strong, durable, lightweight. So, it does not crack or warp over the time and easily supports heavy hanging clothes, drawers, accessories, and a lot of storage. So, smooth operations, better load capacity, and long lasting performance. And aluminum wardrobes are extremely easy to maintain, so just wipe with a dry or damp cloth. No polish is required, no repainting, or any no special cleaners is required. So ideal for busy professional families who want a low maintenance interior. And it is also the fire and heat resistance unlike the wood, so it adds an extra layer of home safety, especially in apartments and high rising buildings. So it also makes the bedroom look more bigger, thanks to the slim frames, reflective glass or mirror shutters, and neutral modern finishes. So aluminum wardrobes create an illusion of space perfect for even in a small bedrooms or apartments, compact master bedrooms. So friends, you can attach some, you can fix lighting to your aluminum wardrobes which integrated LED lights, warm ambient lighting, and it also blend with easily with your modern beds in your bedroom furnitures like beds, floating side tables, false ceilings, and minimal wall designs. So your bedroom look cohesive and professionally designed, not mismatch. So it also adds long-term value to your home. So because of aluminum wardrobes, it lasts longer, don't deteriorate, look premium. Also, they increase the overall value of your home interior investment. While aluminum wardrobes have many advantages, it is important to know initial cost can be slightly higher than the basic plywood. But friends, actually, in a wardrobes, there are budget-friendly options. Also, there like the price starts from 900 rupees to 1000 rupees per square feet, which is a mid-range. You will get a strong, durable material, so good quality also. So, for suppose if you want to make 10 by 4 wardrobe, so the total cost will be almost 36 to 37,000 rupees. So friends, you can calculate as per your size requirement by 900 to 1000 rupees per square feet. So in this price everything is included like materials, labor charges, and accessories like hardware items. So friends, if you have any queries you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail id which I given in the description. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you once again, and if you like our videos then please like this video, share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So friends, thank you for watching once again. Thank you.